Hello everyone. Let's dive in to understand the settings of our software. Our first step is to click on the Settings button, then click on Admin. Here, you'll find different settings, but our focus today is on trip settings. We'll start by clicking on the Edit button. You'll notice that all the toggles are currently off. These toggles serve different functions. Let's introduce the Show Estimation in Driver Panel toggle. When this toggle is on and a customer creates a trip, the driver can view the estimated trip cost. If it's off, the driver won't see the estimate. Next, let's look at the Show Estimation in Customer app toggle. This works similarly to the driver's toggle. If it's on, when a customer creates a trip, they can see the estimated cost from pickup to destination. If it's off, they can't view the estimation. Moving forward, let's tackle the Driver Road Path in Customer app toggle. When a trip starts and this toggle is on, the customer can view the trip path. If it's off, they can't view the path. The Draw Road Path in Driver app toggle works similarly, but for the driver's view. If it's on, the driver can view the trip path. If it's off, they can't. Next stop is the OTP Verification for Start Trip toggle. When this toggle is on, the driver needs to verify the OTP when they start the trip for customer verification. If it's off, the driver can't verify the OTP. Let's discuss the Driver Initiate Trip toggle. This option gives drivers the power to initiate trips, even for customers who don't use our platform. If the toggle is on, the driver can create the trip. If it's off, they can't. Next, we have the Twilio Call Masking toggle. This feature provides secure messaging, allowing businesses to safely reach customers globally. When the toggle is on, we provide the Twilio Call Masking option. If it's off, we don't. Coming up is the Tip toggle. When it's on, customers can give drivers a tip, but only for card trips. Tips for cash tips should be given directly to the driver. If it is off, customer cannot view this option. Next is the Toll toggle. When it's on, customers cover the cost of any tolls during their trip. If it's off, drivers can't add toll costs to the trip. Finally, we have the Show Requester Details to Driver Before Trip Acceptance toggle. When it's on, drivers can see users' details when they accept the trip. If it's off, drivers can only view this information in the Trip Details section. After making your desired changes, simply click on the Save button. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this guide was helpful to you.